Please hit that like button and subscribe to Salona's Reviews. We were trying to reach 400 subscribers by the end of March. Only 32 more to go.
Thank you for watching another episode of Salona's Reviews. I'm Mr. W. Time with Love Making Next. This is a fun little kit that we got from Temu. It's just a little squat Sherman tank. Should be a pretty quick build. Of course, we'll do it on camera for you. These are mini brick kits, so these are not full-size bricks or full-size Lego bricks or Lego bricks at all, for that matter. They will make just a little tiny tank. I actually like the mini bricks. I have a small home, so making a brick kit that fits in my house is very crucial there sometimes. But stay tuned. We are building a 14,000 plus brick build of Lego sized bricks. It is massive. It's going to take me a couple weeks, but before I start that massive build, I just want to get one of these little builds done just for fun, because they're fun. It's instructions. They are in poster style format. Of course, not my favorite, but shouldn't be too bad for such a small kit. This reminds me of, I'm not sure it totally is, but it reminds me of a LOLZ kit, L-O-Z. It's one of my favorite mini brick kit building kits manufacturers. I'm not sure who really put this together. It's unfortunately, when you get things from Temu, they put so many stickers on things. Sometimes it is just hard to even see who the manufacturers are. These kits are never numbered on their bags. They're so small, I guess they just figure they don't really need to bother with it. I wish they did number it, just because I like having that way building instead of hunting and pecking through piles and piles of bricks. But again, this is a small kit. It shouldn't matter. There's the tank treads. Lots of itty bitty tank treads.
Thank you for watching another episode of Salona's Reviews. I'm Mr. to help you decide what to love making next. Today we are reviewing the mini Sherman tank from Temu. Overall, we can recommend this kit, but it does have a significant problem with the quality of the bricks, and I had to leave a portion of the build off because the bricks that secured them broke. Even so, the kit produces a fun little Sherman tank with a rotating turret. On a Salona's Reviews rock scale of hardness, of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit a 4 out of 10. The instructions were in a poster style format and were pretty easy to follow. The bricks are not Lego brand or size. In fact, they are mini bricks. In my kit, one of the brick types was quite brittle, and they both broke as I tried to insert the brick into them. Looking at the size of the kit, it is small. I'm not sure the brick count, but it's under 1,000 for sure. It probably took me about 30-45 minutes to put together. Overall, the bricks went together well, and there was no glue needed to hold any of the bricks together.
Okay, here's your little tank. This was not an LOZ mini brick kit. I'm not sure what company it was, but I had issues with breaking of these little pieces here on a brown piece. So there's actually elements on the back of the tank I couldn't put on there because it broke. So yeah, definitely a different quality of brick from LOZ, unfortunately. But they same size brick as LOZ makes, and they use a similar box. But it's a cute little Sherman tank. I mean, I like it. It was easy to assemble and pretty quick to assemble, and it's got a cute look to it. Thank you for watching Salona's Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this quick little look at this little mini tank, little mini brick tank. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. Please hit that like button and remember to subscribe. Thanks.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.